Lesson 1, Chapter number 5, Black Boy. The Black Boy chapter is written by Richard Wright. Author or the writer of the chapter is Richard Wright. Richard Wright is often discouraged and injured by women whose lives touched him in his journey. Also, the fall among him always seems to be discouraged, always seems to be despaired when we show the life of the woman in his country. Towards the self-discovery, the black boy. And then he wrote his thought in a story which name is The Black Boy. The woman included his mother, his granny, his auntie, Mrs. Mosh, her daughter, Bess, and Wright's neighbor. The woman he saw are the women belong to his family, the woman of his granny, his grandmother, his aunt, whose name is Eddie. Mrs. Moore's daughter, Bess, and Wright's neighbor can be strong, neutral, defensive, and good-hearted. Although many different to his dream, and also some are even heartless. He, despite his neighbor, is a kind-hearted. But, however, he also said that some of the neighbors, some of the men are the men like heartless. But, on the other hand, women even more than men conform to complete traditional value of family. Wright also said that the woman kept the tradition and rituals more than the men in his family also. Tribe and religion and accept limitation imposed by society. The women are kept into the limitation of the society. Society decides that is the limitation of the woman, and woman cannot go out from this limitation. In this article, Arjun Wright is moderately impressed by the adventure of female character in Black Boy and the touching stories of these women. Character made significant contribution to his self-discovery. Not only he praised them, but also he significant the contribution of his family. Richard Wright, family discovery, self-discovery, tradition, and other. Richard Wright, boy. Eddie Romana, it means his aunt, Candy, Benjamin, and he went there to do something more. Let's start the story, The Black Boy. For that is a fundamental prism regarding human behavior. The first step to measure the human behavior is to show how to notice that. When the man and woman to think, they can always think of a better way. When the man or the woman think, they think about it in a better way. Richard thought that French Roberts said that the man and the woman can think in a better way. This argument can be considered the best way to a common sense. The argument that who can think better, a man or a woman. This argument is considered the best way to common sense. But especially the way of female thinking is focused to right to find oneself. But at the right time, at the same time, right felt that the way the woman think, it is the way is better than the man think. The central character of Black Boy is young and whose name is Richard Wright. The main character is Richard Wright. And he is the chief character, he is the main character of the story. He wrote his autobiography. Actually, there is a difference between the biography and autobiography. A person write about himself is autobiography, and someone else write about a person is called biography. And Richard Wright here write an autobiography and knowledge of the world around. In his autobiography, he wrote the knowledge, whatever he gained, whatever he noticed. The main focus of the story is on his development into an artist and intellectual. The main focus of the story is to development, where the artist and intelligence can be seen. Richard Wright's Black Boy has made a strong impact on American literature with its strong commentary on its culture, political, racial, religious, social issues of 20th century in America. One time, Richard Wright gave a speech on America, and his speech is about 20th century American situation, cultural situation, political and social, religious, racial situation. Critics often describe the novel as a superb example of subtlety, crafted, narrative describe Wright's journey into adulthood. Not only his friend, but also the critic. I told you that who is critic. Critic is a man drama, story, whatever to be presented there. So not only his fame but also critics praised his work, admired his work. Writes only in adulthood. Many critics question is to whatever the book should be considered pure autobiography. The book that was considered at that time, that was published at that time, the autobiography. Particularly because they doubt the accuracy of Wright's recollection as well as because of its novelist style. Some critics admired on him, while some critics had a doubt on him. And the doubt is that is the way Richard published the novel, Richard published his autobiography, that could not be possible by the adult boy. That's why the critics are doubted on him. So basically it is a positive point for Richard only. They doubt, but positively on a boy who is on the adulthood, who is on the adult age, and who would write his autobiography in such a way that nobody can find a flaw. He arranged his autobiography in that way that nobody could do it on a very young age also. And he wrote his autobiography in novelist style. Novelist style means depend on novel style. As the way the novel would be written, as he now wrote his autobiography. Particularly because they doubt the accuracy of Wright's recollection, as well as because of its novelist style. But it is agreed that the book monumentalizes an important piece of America, as well as African American history. Not only the important piece for America, but as well the African history. Black Boy celebrates Wright's talent for native. In its description of the brutal, shown from the black perspective between the 19th and 1945. It is written on the age of 19th century till 1945. What was happened between these years? Which kind of atmosphere at that time? Socially, religiously, culturally, how people live at that time. He wrote about that. Let's go ahead. But it is agreed that the book monumentalized an important piece of America. It means the book that he wrote, which was the best part of America, as well as African American history. Black Boy celebrates Wright's talent for narrating his description of a brutal South from the black perspective between 19 to 1945. Perhaps not meant to be social commentary, Black Boy has nevertheless become an intelligent piece of African American literature. It was the piece between the African and American literature, dealing with the prejudice of Jim Crow, laws and the unity of the black community. Writes criticized the black culture for not providing a strong foundation for its base, the black community. But the base of hope in the idea that the African and American culture will overcome different directions. What is that? African and American culture is American are pressurized to African people because the African people are black and the people of America are white. So at that time, the white people enslaved the black people. They are not giving their right to them also. Right is able to despite being a black man in an operation of society by selecting symbolic moment from his own life, drawing insights from his own personal experience. More true, however, is that the black boy is able translate what appear at the first glance to be a novel from limited perspective that of the black man in American society. At that time, how was the situation of black men in American society? Rather, Wright discusses a universal existence of discussing religious, intellectual, hunger, and basic human emotions, untouchability, not giving proper answer, not to show pity on them, not helping them. Many have even described Wright's analytic style and metaphysical with the discussion of ghosts and dreams. Perhaps the most intricate lesson learned in Black Boy is how Richard, means the author, discovers the power of his own word, his own writing. He opposed all the things, the rituals, the customs, everything, the traditions, by his writing. Whether or not Wright predicted the profound effect of the novel would have on the other world of American literature and history is betrayed in his closing. I would hurl words into his darkness and wait for an echo. I would chant other words to tolerate, to march, to fight, to credit a sense of hunger of life. What growth us to follow, to keep alive in our hearts a sense of inexpressibly human. Wright wrote his word in page number 384. What writes it to us about his childhood, how American people tortured him? What will happen next? Let's see that. During his self-discovery journey, the effect of Richard, female character, his granny, mother, aunt, neighbor, sister, and daughter also, are obvious. Richard's female relatives are more significant in his life than the man. Richard said that I am more influenced by the female character around me. Although he had friends went to school, it is not like that he has no male friend. He has a male friend with whom he played also in the school. Had a family, learned to read, write and count in his childhood. He learned to read, write, count, everything in his childhood at the home only. He went to school, but he did not learn to write, read or count at the school. He did everything at the home with his family member. We can say that Richard feels elegant with his family. At this sentence, we come to know that how he was close with his family member. This thing of alienation is one of the most continuous, both in relation to Richard's family, the black community, and as well as the white community. It means not only for the African but also the American community. This sense of isolation comes out of the rebellion and not accepting the roles, behaviors which were determined by his female relatives. Richard is fiercely individual and constantly express a desire to join society of his own terms rather than to be forced into one of the categories of the society wishes him to fit. In this regard, Richard struggles against the dominated female culture both in South and North. Even against his black culture, neither white color nor black color women know how to handle a brilliant, strong-willed, self-respecting black man. Richard realized that his options are either to be conformed or to be bent. Whatever options he suggested for the North and South, both sides, both directions, he noticed that his conformation is not for a particular region. Richard perceives that his options are either conform or to be bent. Needless to say, neither option satisfies him. So he forgives his own middle path. No option will satisfy him, and that's why he tried to find the other thing. We can see that it is discouraged and hindered by women who are not being able to share his dreams at the very beginning. These women are his mother, grandmother, aunt, Mrs. Mosby's neighbor, white women in his life. Not only the black women but also the white women are suffered a lot in his life. They may be very strong, determined, defensive, are in general good-hearted, but they are indifferent to this dream. And he also always sees them as the obstacle to reach this intermediate point of his life. Some of them are heartless and not aware of the limitations which are posted to their self-interest. He said that most of the women don't know that what are their interests. They are not giving the time for their self-interest. They are not doing anything with themselves. These limitations are traditional value of family, tribe, religion, except the rulers of white community. Every woman faced hardship. Every woman faced that. Not only the women who are coming from the slaves family, but also the women who are with the very rich family. All the ladies, all the women felt the hardship that are given by the men slaves to them. We see this discouraged in hundreds of women who are not able to share this dream at the very beginning. Many women are afraid to share this dream with the another person. And the women who cannot share this dream with the other person are the women of his own family. And it is also not said like that women are like the black family or the white family. All women are suffered to share his view, suffered to give their opinion. And here Richard wrote about the hardship which was faced by the women of their family, their neighbor countries, and neighborhood. Till their recapitulation today, what will Richard give them? Could Richard awake them?